There's the old Frankster. There's my buck. There's the 200-foot cliff he jumped off of. And we found him. Woohoo! Heck yeah! Dude, he's huge! Hell yeah, dude, this thing is huge! Dude, he's a beast. Yeah, I got one. Got it right here on this half hill. I want to get a couple pictures first. Heck yeah, dude. Look at that bluff. That's crazy. He's a pig, dude. He's a freaking pig.